know what most people get wrong about love? They think it's about sparks, butterfly, and fancy gesture. We've been telling you this. But honestly, 90% of what keeps a relationship alive happens in small, quiet ways you barely notice. And that's exactly what I'm about to break down to you today. 5 skills you're probably not thinking about, but if you're starting practicing them, your love life will change completely. I am Top Man, and this is Beauty for Ashes. Here we share clarity on love, life, and growth. By the end of this video, you will know how to make your relationship not just survive, but thrive. You'll be able to bring that sweetness into it without losing yourself in the process. You don't need to increase the pressure or have the mentality of if I don't show my partner who I am, they will not take me seriously. No. Work on these 5 things and you'll be happy you did. Number one, communication, very important. We cannot overemphasize this one. All right. Communication isn't just asking, how's the day? Have you eaten? Or dropping a random I love you text. Is noticing the small signs. When she is stressed, the quiet pace, when she is thinking, the flicker in their eyes, when something is bothering them. It's asking gently, are you okay? Do you want to talk or just chill? Instead of assuming everything is fine. And it is being honest without being harsh. You don't have to craft perfect words, just speaking in a way that builds connection instead of walls. So, when communication becomes a daily habit, not something you're forcing, you will catch small misunderstanding early and love will stay steady instead of jumping under and over. Can you think of a time when a simple, honest question could have stopped a fight you had with your partner before it even started? Can you? Put it in the comment section. Number two is conflict resolution without losing your chill. Argument will happen, that is normal. But how do you undo them? That is the difference between a healthy relationship and constant tension. Conflict resolution is choosing curiosity over ego. Ask genuinely what really happened, what is going on, instead of why are you always like this? Even small fight like arguing about chores or which movie to watch can actually bring you closer if handled well. It's teamwork over winning, understanding over shouting, and solution over grudges. Okay? Because honestly, nobody remembers who won the argument over dishes, but they remember how it made them feel. The third one is empathy. Empathy means seeing the world through their eyes. Empathy is actually feeling what your partner feels, being there with them in the moment. Sympathy is more like noticing their struggle and caring from a sideline, like, I spent time with you. But in a relationship, empathy is sitting with them through the rough patch. While sympathy is just saying, I'm sorry you're going through that, empathy isn't nodding or saying, I get it. It really step into their shoe, feeling what they feel, even if it is not your stress or your problem. He had a rough day at work. Don't just say, okay, that's fine. Listen, ask, that sound intense. How are you handling it? She's anxious about something. Sit her down. Hold space and just let her know she's understood. Sometimes that literally change everything, and that's what they need. Okay? So daily empathy turn a relationship from transactional, I do this, you do that, to genuine connection, right? Number four is curiosity. Never assume you know everything. Find out skillfully. People change, life changes. You might think you already know your partner, but curiosity keeps love alive. Ask questions. I didn't know your partner. Ask them questions. Notice the little shifts. Laughed at the weird, unexpected moments. Okay? What's been running through your mind today? You can simply ask that simple question. I noticed you've been quiet. What is on your heart? It keeps the relationship fresh and exciting. It shows that you genuinely care enough to keep discovering them every single day instead of just coexisting. All right. Think about it. When was the last time you asked your partner something you didn't already know about them? Number five, forgiveness. This is very, very crucial. A daily choice. Make it a daily choice, not just one time gesture. Forgiveness is not a big dramatic thing. It's a habit. Missed call, careless words, minor slip up. Let them know. Don't let it just slide away. Apologize sincerely if you need to. And when they apologize, man, forgive genuinely. It means you're choosing peace over chaos. When you forgive, you simply say, I release this, or calmly address the minor issue without anger. Practicing forgiveness daily helps your heart soft, tensions low, and love free to breathe. Okay, so here's a quick check. What one small thing you could let go of today that has been nagging you in your relationship, and what is holding you from letting it go? So here are the truth you need to know about love. Love isn't magic, and it isn't just about butterflies or grand gesture. If you want your relationship to thrive, it starts with you. Your actions, your choices, your habits. Practice communication every day. Don't assume your partner knows what you are thinking. Say it, ask it, share it. Resolve conflict without ego. Remember, being right is nothing compared to being connected. Show empathy daily. See the world through their eyes, even when it is uncomfortable to do that. Stay curious. Ask questions. Seek to know what is going on with them. Notice the little shifts and never stop discovering each other. Forgive quickly and often. Don't let small frustration build walls between you. If you do these things consistently, you won't just have a relationship that survives, you will have one that is growing and you're both enjoying it. Because it makes both of you better people. So start today. Pick one skill and practice it tonight. Watch how it changes not just your relationship, but the way you show up in love for yourself and for them. This is Beauty for Ashes.